Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another PC tutorial video here, and today I'm going to show you how to remove password in Windows. If you log into your PC with password and just want to remove your password, just follow my step, and now I'm going to show you how to do it. Just click the search option here and now click here login option. Just search here login option. You can see the sign in option here. Just click that sign in option. And as you can see, this on the right, this is all the signing option I have, the password, pin, and also picture password. But I'm just going to remove this password from here. Just click this change option here, and now you have to give your password to confirm that you are using the PC. And now as you can see, it requires your new password, re-entry password, and password hint. But as I'm just going to remove it. To remove it, just simply click the next option and just finish this option. And as you can see, your account does not have a password. And now if I want to log into my PC, I don't need any password. So you can remove your password in this way. So I hope this video helps you. If this video helps you, consider subscribing to my channel, and I will catch you guys on the next one.